Yeah, 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 yeah. Whoa.
Hi my babes, how you doing? Hope you're all well. If you want to see how I do my eyebrows, then keep on watching. Love you. So what I'm going to do first is brush both eyebrows out. This gives me an idea of what shape I'm going to do. I just wanted to explain, some people assume, oh, you need to have your eyebrows waxed or threaded to get the perfect eyebrow, but which it does, it makes you more crisp, but you don't have to. Look at mine, I'll zoom you all in. That's the closest I've got with you guys. Don't close my eyes. Can you see? I don't really do my eyebrows. I only do it in occasions, which lasts me, you know, a few months, but I don't get it done often. You know, the way people get it done every 2 weeks or a week, I don't do it. If I do, I pluck around, but as you can see, I have not done that. I'm just going to show you on this side, so keep on watching. So these are 4 of the brushes that I do use around my eyes, but sometimes I just use that, sometimes I just use that, or sometimes I just use this and that. So this is my Wonder 2 spoolie and 2-in-1 double-sided brush, and this is a single spoolie. This is what I use to define around my eyebrows, and this one I use if I want to get more like the angle, you know, the arch, and this is the one I use to shape my eyebrows. Sorry guys, it's not focused. Focus. Yeah. So I'm gonna use a bit of the Wonder 2 and a bit of that one to shape my eyebrows first. Okay, so what I'm gonna be using, guys, is the Anastasia Dilbar Promade in the shade dark brown. Do you see? To be honest, I use this only only on occasions, or only when I'm on occasions, or you know, when I've got the time. So what I like to do is get some of the product and get the back of my lid and just distribute that evenly. So what this does is takes, if you've got too much product on your brush, takes that off, and it also flattens your brush, so it gives you much of a defined brush to work with. So after that, what I do is, I'm going to look down on the mirror, guys. What I do is, I start from here and avoid the front and just line out the bottom where, you know, where I want the bottom line to be. So start here with a very light hand. I like to just follow the natural shape of my eyebrows, as you can see, guys. I like the bottom to be way heavier than the top. As you can see, I don't have much hair here, so I'm going to work. So whatever's left on my brush, I'm going to take at the top, because I don't like the top as heavy as the bottom. Just very lightly, I'm going to avoid the front part as well and start over here very lightly with slight strokes. Follow the natural shape of your eyebrows. And just light-handedly just fill it out as you go. And as the product gets less on the brush, you can start, like, you know, stroking the front bit, so it's like a faded effect. Sorry guys, got 3 mirrors around me, so I'm just looking around. So yeah, as you can see, you've got that lovely shape now, and it's going to get more defined when you start conceal around it. So as you can see now, you've got the shape, but it's a bit sparse in a few areas. So what I like to do is get a bit more product and just very lightly just make some lines all throughout. Sorry if I get out to the frame, guys. I'm just trying. Okay, as you can see, I like this part darker, but not with any more product. And what I do is brush it out. Okay, and because I like the end more darker, what I do is I get my MUA Makeup Academy Professional Pro Brow Kit. I like to mix up the brown and black and then go into the empty spaces. Just starting from, can you see the arch there? I like to darken up that bit. Guys, go in with a light hand. You don't want it too dark because it's just going to ruin everything. It is a bit messy here, but once you conceal, it'll be fine. So go in on that eyebrow kit as much as you want until you get, you know, how you want your eyebrows to be looking. Like some days I go very natural, some days I go very defined and HD, and some days I just like it to be really fluffy and just natural but concealed without putting too much product on it. So today I'm just going to go for the defined look, as I've got not much makeup on at all, so I like my eyebrows and lashes to do all the talking, as you can see, guys. So while applying product, just keep brushing it out so it's distributed evenly. Yeah, I'm going to clean all that up at the bottom, as you'll see. Okay, I still want that end to be a bit darker, so what I'm going to do is stroke my brush through. Can you see? Okay guys, what I'm going to do is now clean up this eye with this flat brush. I'll show you. I'm also going to use this brush. Look at the size. Let me show you. Can you see the difference? Guys, it's not focusing, I'm so sorry. So yeah, I'm going to start off with this, and what I'm going to use, some days what I do is I use the Maybelline concealer. Some days I use LA Girl. Focus. The LA Girl. And some days I use my Kevin Aucoin in the shade, don't know, it's rubbed off, guys. But yeah, but today I'm going to use my Kevin Aucoin and show you how I shape. So what I do is get the brush, just at the end, take some product like that and just shape the bottom out. Guys, don't go too heavy, as it can mess up. So start from here because I don't want a lot of product on that end. Can you see, guys? And just take that in, clean that up, and then whatever's remaining, take it at the top and create the arch that you want. Recently I've been liking the round arch. I used to go for the triangle arch before, but I don't know, recently I've been liking this look. Let me know what you guys think. Can you see, guys? I don't really like to put much concealer on this end. nice and clean, and just distribute that out. So what I like to do is take a concealer brush and just even that out. And if there's any gaps that you can see, get your brush, dip it in your powder or your pomade, and define that a tad more. Guys, I notice sometimes, you know, the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade, that sometimes dries out. So what you can do, if you've got any sort of oils, any for example, I've got Anne's oil, I've got maracuja oil, I've even got Moroccan oil. Just put a dip of it in there and it softens it out. Just give it a bit of a stir. But yeah, that's the eyebrows. I'll give you a close-up, guys. I like to do hair strokes just here. Okay, that's the final eyebrows. As you can see, don't always do it like this. I try and keep it as natural as I can. Yeah, let me know how you like it. So, you know, once I finish, I have a look at it and then I realise I need to add a bit more, and I do. But I try and keep this end as crispy as possible, and then with your finger I can just rub it out. But yeah. I got the L'Oreal eyebrow gel and set both eyebrows. Let me know if you liked my tutorial and if you would change anything. If there is any tips, guys, leave it down below, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye babes, love you.